today I'm going to explain to you in detail what is Web 3.0, what are NFTs, what is Metaverse, why you should care about all this, and how you can make money from Web 3.0. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm also going to share with you how you can join my free NFT giveaway. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about business, entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So what is Web 3.0? So in order for us to get a better understanding of Web 3.0, I decided to give us a brief explanation of Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. So years back, in the first generation of the internet was Web 1.0, where you can only read and click a link. That is all about Web 1.0. Then years later come Web 2.0, where you can read, you can write, you can publish, you can create, you can consume. Just like you are watching this video right now, I create it. So that means Web 2.0 is where you can consume and create. That is where the likes of Alibaba, Facebook, Instagram, social media, and all that come about. Now come Web 3.0. So Web 3.0 is the third generation of internet, where it's all about decentralization, ownership, and participation. And let me give you a detailed explanation of that. So Web 3.0 is where you can authentically own things that you create or engage in, and have the ability to be part of a community that give you an unusual amount of access, so that you can also create within that world, e.g. like NFT. So we can simply put that Web 3.0 is an upcoming third generation of internet, where websites and apps will be able to process information in a smart, human-like way through technology like machine learning. So meaning that in Web 3.0, unlike Web 2.0, that like as you are watching this video right now, there is advertisement that is placed on it and all that, but I am the only person that earn from it. But in Web 3.0, you will have a right to choose either you want advertisement to be placed on a video you watch, and not only that, that means if you allow yourself that let there be advertisement, as we make money from the advert, you also as a viewer, you earn a percentage. That means you can make money as you interact, as you engage, as you make use of this platform. Isn't that amazing? So now that we have a better understanding of what Web 3.0 is, before we go into how we can make money in Web 3.0, we need to understand what is NFT. NFT is simply means non-fungible token, but yes, I was just like you are from the start. When I hear non-fungible token, I even get more confused, because to me, it has not really explained to me better in a layman understanding. And because I want you to understand even much better, I went into search and I discovered that the word fungible means is something that is to replace. So that means non-fungible means irreplaceable. So for you to own an NFT, it means you have the work of art that is a digital asset that is irreplaceable. So that means I can mint my own picture. I can take a graphic design of my picture, or I can take a digital asset of my picture. I can mint it with cryptocurrency on a blockchain technology, and by storming, that means nobody can ever own something as exactly as that is irreplaceable. You can get something that look like that, but it can never be like that particular one. So meaning owning an NFT means that you have a digital asset that is authentic and is irreplaceable. So now that we have understand what is NFT, before we go into how we can make money with NFTs, we need to understand what is Metaverse. All right, so Metaverse is a virtual reality world where users can interact, play game, and experience things as they would in the real world using AR. Meaning in Web 2.0, we interact and connect on social media through our profile. All you know is what I put on my profile, like on Facebook and all that. But in Web 3.0 is a visual reality where we can interact as avatars. So my profile in Web 3.0 or in Metaverse is going to be an avatar. So for me to join Web 3.0, for me to interact with people in Web 3.0 and Metaverse, that means I need a VR that I'll put on so that I will enter into that virtual world as an avatar where we can interact. And in Metaverse, meaning I can join and enter, I can host a training like this one in Metaverse. Right now, there are people that are hosting events on Metaverse. There are people that are doing a lot of things on Metaverse, meaning I can also even go, I can be wearing this clothes, put on my VR set. In that Metaverse, I can go buy clothes, a virtual clothes, and then I'm going to put it on. I can host a concert, I can attend a concert, I can also even do a training, I can do a lot of things, I can sell clothes, I can do so many things. The opportunity is endless on Metaverse, and I'm going to go deeper along the line in this video. Alright, so now we have a better understanding of Web 3.0, Metaverse, and NFTs. How do we make money from it? So please, before I go further, if you have not liked this video, kindly do so. It means a lot to me. It's going to help the algorithm. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. It really means a lot to me. So for you to get a better understanding and how to make money on all this, one thing you should know that both NFT and Metaverse all fall under Web 3.0. So in general, how can you make money with all this, and why all this is important, why you should pay attention? So the first thing is you can make money by identifying opportunities and investing in them is highly important. This is the way that people like Mark Zuckerberg, Alibaba, and Amazon were able to think ahead and making use of the opportunity. And people like me that now fall and tap into the anointing and into their own idea and opportunity, then we started creating ebook, we started creating our own YouTube channel like this one and making money on it. So you need to identify opportunities that are in Web 3.0 and start investing in them. You need to start asking yourself, what expertise do I have or can I learn that could be implemented in this Web 3.0? So that is the first way you can make money in Web 3.0. Another way you can make money in Web 3.0 is you can make money by actually building in Web 3.0. And how can you do that? All right. Okay, like you can start creating your own content in Web 3.0, and the difference is so clear. In Web 2.0, like right now, you see I've been telling you, please like, please subscribe, and all that. But in Web 3.0, you can create your content, or you can commit as a viewer so that you can also make money in Web 3.0. And an example of that is Teda, and I'm going to drop a link to join that particular website, where as you join, as you interact, as you consume content like this one, you can decide not let there be no advert that will be played on the video you watch, or you can decide to turn on the advertisement so that by the time you watch a particular advert or any advert at all, you also will earn money from that. This is another opportunity. Another way you can also make money with Web 3.0 is by providing services that are already needed in Web 3.0. It's so new right now and the opportunity is endless. Imagine I now going for a concert or hosting a training in Web 3.0, and I don't want to appear like this, but I can just even tie my wrapper or with these clothes. But when I'm entering in, I would decide to buy a virtual clothes. That is telling you that there are people right now, if you are a graphic design, or you are a tailor, or you are a designer, you have a clothing line, what this means to you is that you should look into opportunity of owning a virtual cloth that is minted, that you have the NFT, and you sell it in the Web 3.0, so that as people join, they will not appear with their normal clothes, but they will buy a virtual clothes. Are you seeing the opportunity? So the opportunities are endless. There are a lot of people like right now that are working like admin 24 hours in Metaverse. There are people that are spending 24 hours. Some are spending 2-3 days in the Web 3, in the Metaverse. So the opportunity is endless. You need to start providing services. So you need to constantly ask yourself, what expertise do I have right now that I can make use of it in this Web 3.0? Or what do I need to learn so that I can implement and start making money in Web 3.0. In Web 3.0, creators can use peer-to-peer technology to receive compensation for their work. Alright, so the opportunities are endless. This is how you can make money in Web 3.0. Another way you can make money, one of my favorite, is through playing game. Alright, yes, in the metaverse, this is number one way a lot of people now are making money in thousands of USD. Is they make money by playing games. So as you join the Web 3.0, there are sites that you can go and play game using NFT. So but for you to own such NFT in Web 3.0, you need to pay money so that you can own some of this NFT before you can join a specific community of people that play such game in Web 3.0, so that you can be making money daily. And with that NFT and you are earning in Web 3.0, you can also even rent out your NFT. So that means that particular game, you can lease it out, you can rent it out. People that does not have that amount of money, maybe $1,000 or $2,000, to own such NFT before they can be a community member of that particular metaverse, that particular community in the metaverse. So they can rent it out by maybe with $10. You can collect a particular NFT and use it to play a specific game, and you earn 100 or 1,000 or even $2,000 while you pay the person that you rent that space for. The opportunity are endless. Right now there are people that are going into properties. That means you buy land. There is a site that called decentralized. So you can go there, you can buy land. There are people that are building houses in the virtual world. Some people are building meeting room and all that. The opportunity is so endless. So that is how you make money with Web 3.0. So how do you make money with NFT? Okay, NFT is also under Web 3.0. So you can also create your own NFT. You can also make money with NFT. There are different ways you make money with NFT, and I've made a detailed video explaining to you how I earn NFT for free in CoinMarketCap. So I have 2 different videos that I explain, and I'm going to drop it in the comment section of this video, that you can watch and see how you can also get your own NFT for free, and you can sell it and make money. There are websites right now that you join and you go in the metaverse where you can interact and you earn money as you watch adverts, as you interact, as you comment, as you engage, as you play game in the Web 3.0. So a lot has been said, and I know there are some people that wait till the end because they want to really understand this, and there are others that are waiting for the giveaway. Oh yes, I am giving a free NFT giveaway. So all you need to do to join this giveaway is you need to first of all comment Web 3.0 in the comment section of this video. Then secondly, you need to like, you need to share this video, all right, and you need to subscribe. And after you have done that, you still come back and comment done. So I'm going to pick a winner that's going to win this particular NFT, and I'm going to show you how you will be able to own it, how you'll be able to sell it, and all that. So a lot has been said. I'm so happy and grateful. Thank you for watching till this end. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.